Coffee & Co vending service, a famous coffee specialist that, with 3 million cups served, is known for its taste, quality and reliability, distinguishes between 4 different segments. The small office coffee machine, the pub restaurant coffee machine, the coffee machine for pots and thermos flakes in hospitals, rest homes and associations, the fully automatic coffee machine for large departments and companies. C&CO only uses full automatic machines, which means the end user will never have to grind the beans, remove the waste or any other of those tasks. As an independent proprietor and operator of countless vending machines, Coffee & Co is not tied to any brands and it's able to offer you a wide variety of coffees. Do you feel like Nestlé, Lavazza, Callebaut or Tribus Silky Arabica? You want triple the speed with no loss of aroma, so people do not have to wait and queue during their breaks. Would you prefer a vending machine with a built-in reservoir that can handle over 30 cups of coffee so you can install it wherever you want? Or can you connect it directly to the water mains? No untidy servings of milk or sugar saggage lying around. Everything is neatly and safely stored in one single machine. Would you prefer to stock it up yourself or leave it to Coffee & Co vending service? Coffee & Co vending service offers you tailored solutions and advice. It never has to get complicated, but it will always be tailored to suit you. Coffee & Co vending service offers you products, machines and service that are all top-notch at the lowest price and with excellent support from our technicians. When you join the Coffee & Co, it's you who makes the choice, not your supplier. Choose freedom, great prices and excellent service. Coffee & Co vending service. The advantage of working with a flexible company that provides custom solutions, freedom of choice and does not impose any restrictions. To recap, the benefits for you. Coffee & Co vending service is a full-service supplier of coffee and coffee machines, soft drinks, snacks and small meals in companies, hotels and institutions, primarily through vending machines and espresso machines. We have partnered with both Nestlé and Oxfam Fairtrade and served 87,000 guests, visitors and employees every day on our clients' premises. We have our own in-house 24-hour technical service, a service that guarantees reliability. Together with our team of specialized reps, we will work together with you to find a formula that suits you to a T.